Okay, peeps, I am gonna go ahead and buy Mi 15 Ultra. They only have the white and black insole. The vegan leather sold that all over Shanghai. So, but then again, I'm not a big fan of the vegan leather. So here you go. So I'll be unboxing it upstairs. Give me a few minutes. I'll get back to you all. Hey everyone, I'm in China, Shanghai. I actually didn't want to buy that much stuff because some of you may know that I've been made redundant, but I couldn't help myself. So I got myself the Xiaomi 15 Ultra. It's literally just downstairs. I stay in a hotel. Literally, there's a mini shopping mall. Literally, the shop is opposite Huawei and it's next to Honor. And I keep on going. The guy's pretty cool, you know. Free gift inside. Like I said, I didn't think I was going to do any unboxing or anything, so I didn't bring any equipment, like, for example, my stand. So I'm actually holding my phone with one hand. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to pause it. I'm just going to get everything open and kind of lay it out and see what's inside. But first, I'm going to do this and get the free gift. You know what, the funny thing, I even said to the guy, is this only for me? Because he sees us all the time and we become pretty friends. I say, is it special for me? And he shot me down and said, no, it's for everyone. I thought I was more special than that. Anyway, I'll be back in a few secs. Be back. So, I actually got my friend to hold it. So she's holding it from an angle. So apologies for that. Like I said, I didn't think I was gonna buy anything. But let's see inside here. So apparently this is a bag. This is paperwork. So not much here. And this one is just a cable, probably a USB-C to Type A or something like that. Yep, just a cable inside. Put that here, and then earbuds. So it's Xiaomi Air 4 SEs, white. I'm trying to be nice because I'm trying to get some VAT, but I read about that. Xiaomi doesn't really offer VAT, so well, you know, it's worth trying at the airport, huh? And then this one, which I actually don't know what it is, but it's pretty big. Let's have a look. Oh, it's a coffee mug or whatever you want it. So that's all the freebies. Let me get the bag out, see how the bag looks like. Put that aside. Seems like one of those small rucksacks. Shall I open it? Oh no, it's almost like a tablet bag. Or maybe a mini PC. That's pretty cool. So that's that. So that is just the free gift I got. I'm gonna pause and get back and unbox this. Pause. Hey everyone, welcome back. So now, unboxing for the main event, Xiaomi Ultra 15. This is the Chinese version. It actually works out cheaper because I just did the calculation. It was, give or take, including because I use Alipay, I used it on my NatWest card, which they paid for using extra card. Including, that was about £19 on top of that. So I did the translation, it was actually £716, give or take. It's actually pretty cheap because the cheapest place I found it was in Wonder Mobile. For the same specs as me, it was £817, £818, depending on the exchange rate. Even including my my Nubia, which I bought UK, was £719. So this actually works out pretty good. I think I mentioned earlier, I got the black one because the vegan leather ones are sold out. Literally, the guy checked for me, the grey and black one sold out. The whole Shanghai. They literally only had one vegan leather one, which is a green one, which I'm not too fond of. They had a white one and a black one. And if you follow me, you know I prefer all black. And to be fair, I'm not a big fan of vegan leather, so this is it. So I'll put that aside. Just have a little unboxing. This is coming out. This is the 12 gig 256 model. You're going to get this in the UK global version, in the UK anyway. It's going to be released on the 31st of March. It's going to be at price at £1,299. So if you think about it, there's a lot of money to save. I don't really care. I know the UK version is only 16 and 512. I mean, I don't play games. I don't do much. I just take pictures really. So a 256 16 is more than enough. Okay then. Here we are. 90-watt charger. I wonder if the UK version or the global version will have this. I know in the UK anyway, there's a lot of electronic products that are not coming with power chargers. I'm just going to quote Floss, Google, Samsung, Apple, effing Sony, put a charger inside. That's one thing about buying Chinese or import. You do get a charger. Cable. What is this? A C to A. Nothing special. All here. Okay. This is just to keep the air. Nothing here. Oh, where is... They usually give you a case. What's happened to the case? I know why, because I'm dumb and I totally forgot. It's here. Okay. The SIM ejection tool, like your normal. Paperwork is all inside. And a see-through case, like Uncle Spurt says, a condom case. All in here. At least they give you a case. I mean, I recently bought nothing phone free. It didn't come with a case, so at least they give you this cable, charger. You can off and running instead of buying a case. All right then. Now for the main event. Let me just peel the back off. Okay, there you go. Hope the lighting's good. I put the room as high as I can. Black one. Originally, I was wanted to buy the 14 Ultra. I was going to get the black one with the red accent, and the black one had the vegan leather, and it also had the kind of curved glass. This one's got slight curve, which is great. I don't mind it. I mean, I'm getting sick and tired of curved glass. This is a 6.73 inch, so it's not too bad. I know there was a bit of some people didn't like the. I mean, I like the design, like I said. My Vivo that I'm using, my friend is holding my phone. My Vivo has a similar design. I don't really mind it. I don't mind it, like you said. It helps with the middle finger, almost like a finger shelf, so to speak. But a lot of people saying the placement of the camera is a bit kind of eclectic, where if I remember correctly, the 14 had kind of like almost symmetric for two here, just like my Vivo had two. So people saying, I mean, this design is pretty good. This is glass back. Not much. You don't get fingerprints, which is good. This is kind of like the frosted glass or something like that. Metal, I think it's aluminium on the side. You can see here, you've got volume rocker. I think this is a power button. USB-C SIM tray, speakers, and probably this is also the SIM tray. I mean, speakers at the top. Let me check if it's got. Yep, it has a pre-installed screen protector, like most Chinese phones are. Pretty good. So I'm going to use this just for camera, really. Like I said, one will do, because I am going to use this. I'm going to set this up today. I won't fully set this up because I'm in China. You know how certain Google things. I'll definitely get Google, get it on, get as much apps as I can, and then I'm going to use this tomorrow as my primary phone to take pictures, videos. If you watch my channel, I've been doing a lot of vlogs in Shanghai. Please, I'm going to say this. Please check those videos out, like, subscribe, all that cool stuff. Thank you. And I'm going to use this tomorrow as my primary phone, just to kind of like check the camera and so on. But I won't post it until I get back to England, because this unboxing will probably be on my last post, because I'm running out of a 5G usage. I just bought like a SIM card. Anyway, hope you enjoy that. Please like, subscribe, all that cool stuff. And I get back to everyone when I'm back in the UK, when I give you a bit more hands-on. Okay, but the footage, like I said, I'm going to use this to film and take pictures in China. Anyway, get back to UK, and please like, subscribe, all that cool stuff. Until next time, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, wherever you are in the world. And please do stay safe. Goodbye now.